We burn the firewood underneath. This is customized door. It's with the styrene materials and insulation layer. This basket, it can be moving out very easily using the wheels and pulley. External, we use this cart to help taking out and loading. How does the water purification working? Firstly, we need prepare 2 water tank, and one is for condensation and the other one is for water spray. And we bring water from the water pool using the water pump and water pipe. These two, they are water spraying tube. They bring water into the system on the top. So these two, the water is spraying on the top. And this one is condensation. Condensation will bring water from here and it will back return from top. So the water of the whole system, it's circulation working. In and return. In and return. Circulation working.